If you're on the fence about making your own dressing at home, who has time for that? You'll be happy to know that this homemade ranch dressing recipe takes just 5 minutes. Hi everyone, it's Maya from WholesomeYum.com, and I make easy, healthy, and keto recipes all with 10 ingredients or less. And today I'm showing you how to make a keto ranch dressing that is so good you might never buy store-bought ranch again. But you do not have to be keto to enjoy this easy dressing. People have told me again and again that this is the best ranch dressing they've ever had, keto or not. In fact, I hear people compare it to Hidden Valley Ranch a lot, so try it and let me know if you agree. It's creamy, it's so flavorful, and unlike Hidden Valley Ranch, this one uses all natural, simple ingredients that you probably have in your fridge or pantry right now. This recipe was actually so popular on my blog that I decided to include it in my first book, The Easy Keto Cookbook. This is filled with simple low-carb dishes that actually the whole family will love, again, even if they're not low-carb. And I'll show you down below where you can pick up a copy if you want to learn more about it. Okay, this dressing will be ready in no time, and I'll show you some ways to use it at the end. Let's do this. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I love the flavor I get from using fresh lemons, so I have a lemon squeezer here and I'm just going to squeeze this out into a measuring spoon. But if you prefer, you can also use bottled lemon juice to save time. There are plenty of other flavors in this ranch, so you probably won't notice a huge difference. So just go ahead and add your lemon juice to a medium to large bowl, and we're going to use this bowl to mix up our other ingredients. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. I like to use homemade avocado oil mayo when I can, but the store-bought kind also works great. Any kind you have will work just fine. Next, add half a cup of sour cream. This, along with the mayo, is going to make our dressing creamy, and it'll add that tangy flavor we want as well. Now it's time for super simple herbs and spices. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, a teaspoon of dried chives, and a teaspoon of dried dill. If you want to use fresh herbs, you're going to triple those amounts, but the dressing will go bad faster than if you use dried. For the right flavor, we're also going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. But of course, you can adjust these spices to your taste. Now we'll thin it out as we whisk it all together. I'm using a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, but do add this slowly so that you can get the consistency you want. My bowl was actually a little too small here, so I'm going to transfer this to a slightly larger bowl and keep whisking. You can also thin this out with unsweetened coconut milk beverage or heavy cream or even buttermilk if you want that flavor. That's it, easy keto ranch dressing. Now, the not so easy part, because again, I did not think this through. I think next time I make this, I'm going to make it in like one of those giant glass measuring cups so that you can pour it easily into the jar where you're gonna store it. I really like these. These are the perfect size for this amount of dressing, but any jar you have will work. So here goes. I'm going to attempt to pour this. And these do come with nice little lids. I'll link down below in the description where I get these. I actually misplaced the lid at the moment, so no lid for now, but we'll figure it out. So, serving ideas. The most obvious choice is a salad, and I've got some super simple salad ingredients here, so I'm gonna put one together. Some lettuce. I also have a salad recipe I'm gonna show you at the end of this video that pairs perfectly with this ranch dressing, but today I'm keeping it simple. This is what I had on hand. And some cherry tomatoes, some cucumbers. These are a little big, but I'll make do. Probably should have cut them in half. A little red onion, and some bacon bits. Can't go wrong with bacon bits. Let's drizzle this on. It's a little thick, so if you like it more pourable, you can always add more almond milk if you like. Taste test time. I've had this so many times before, to be honest. I know exactly how this tastes, and it's delicious. The second common way to enjoy this ranch dressing is as a dip. So I just poured this into this jar, but I wanted to try the dip version as well, so we're gonna go ahead and pour this into a bowl now. So I have some carrot sticks and celery here, common pairings with ranch. Carrots are not keto friendly, so keep that in mind, but I do lean low carb. I do enjoy them on occasion, so you do you. I'm gonna have this today. You can also dip warm foods into this ranch dip. Chicken tenders or buffalo wings are both delicious with ranch, and if you're not low carb, French fries are also good. And for those of us who are low carb, I have a couple of recipes for keto French fries linked down in the description so you can try those without giving up your lifestyle. And I know people use ranch like a million different ways, so tell me how you use yours. I'd love to try it. So the other nice thing about this ranch dressing recipe is that it lasts quite a while. You can store it in the fridge for up to 10 days, or basically until the expiration date of your mayo and sour cream. If you make this ranch dressing recipe, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of it. And I promised you one more salad idea. Combined with salsa, this is perfect for my taco salad.